Apple has rolled out iOS 26.5 and it's bringing new key features along with a splash of color. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. According to Apple, this update adds end-to-end encrypted RCS messaging and a downloadable Pride Luminance wallpaper, along with bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. iOS 26.5 primarily focuses on three key changes for iPhone users. First, it's the end-to-end encrypted RCS messaging in beta and messages with supported carriers, and this will roll out over time. Then it's a Pride Luminance wallpaper that dynamically refracts a spectrum of colors, which is already available for download. And last, check out Suggested Places, where Maps displays recommendations based on what's trending nearby and your recent searches. But the iOS 26.5 isn't just about the high-level features. For example, later this summer, Apple Maps will start displaying ads in search results for users in the United States and Canada. iOS 26.5 also supports new 12-month commitment with monthly payment options for App Store subscription. This first arrived in iOS 26.4 globally, but iOS 26.5 is required for customers in the US. The software update also introduces changes to Apple's Reminders app. Magic Mouse, Magic Keyboard, and Magic Trackpad accessories now automatically pair over Bluetooth after being connected by USB-C. Europe is getting even more changes, like live activity forwarding for third-party accessories where required. In Brazil, iOS 26.5 appears to set the stage for side-loading support on iOS. After this, Apple's set to unveil iOS 27, the next major iPhone software update, in less than a month at WWDC 2026. The event is set for Monday, June 8th. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.